Hi everyone, let's find out how to add Maven to our project. Today's video will be a short one. And also, thought you might want to know, I used to have a friend named Marvin when I was in elementary school. Completely unrelated. Why do we need Maven? Well, there are many reasons why Maven is used in the world of the professionals, but we will be using it for two main reasons. One, for adding dependencies, and two, for future server deployment. So 1, adding dependencies. In Java, dependencies, also known as libraries, take the form of a bunch of .jar files. Without Maven, dependencies are added through either an absolute path or a local path, neither of which are ideal. An absolute path demands that each programmer downloads jars to the exact same path on their computers. A local path demands that the library be a part of your project, increasing your project size when sharing code. Of course, to prevent that you can use something like a git ignore, but we got Maven! Because with Maven, ta-da! All you have to do is add a few extra tags in an XML file and type a line in command prompt and all your problems are gone. Libraries missing? Not anymore. Classpath incorrect? Not anymore. Jar file still on GitHub? Not anymore. In debt from student loans? Not anymore. It's literally magic. 2. Future server deployment. Eventually, we want Nomads to be a multiplayer game, which means we have to make an application server, which means that we need to generate some files and copy them into folders, which means big frustration. But guess what? Maven takes care of the file generation. And since Maven operates on the command line, we can do both generation and copying in the same batch command. Installing Maven is a little bit troublesome, but fear not. There are a ton of guides out there, and you're only going to be doing it once anyways. I'll link a guide in the description. Don't forget to set environment variables. Next, let's just delete that fat folder of libraries that's just been sitting here forever, and remove them from our project build path. Okay, onto the poem.xml. Which is the heart and soul of Maven. Let's copy in the bare minimum that constitutes a poem.xml, then quickly configure the naming and stuff. It actually took us like an hour to settle on the name Basement Boys. Now let's go find them libraries. Whatever library you're looking for, type it in the search bar and add Maven to the end. Click the link from mvnrepository.com. Copy the text. Paste it between your dependencies tag. Open command prompt and cd to your project. Type mvn clean install. And there you go. The libraries just got installed onto your computer. Amazing. Now we can start mass hiring programmers. The newcomers will be absolutely dazzled by how streamlined the process is. BTW, need free labor? Contact now.